Hi everybody, it's Dan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Now if you're like me, sometimes the holidays get you a little stressed out, especially when it comes to making homemade pies. Today, we're gonna be tackling the perfect buttery, flaky pie crust. And it's gonna be easier than you think, and a perfect foundation for all of your holiday pies this year. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description with all my tips and tricks on how you can bake this pie crust with all the confidence. And be sure to stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new to my kitchen, don't forget to click subscribe down below and turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead, grab our food processors, and let's get started on pretty much the only pie crust you are ever gonna need. So first up, we wanna add in our all-purpose flour, our white granulated sugar, and a little bit table salt. Then we're gonna go ahead and just pulse that up for a little bit. Maybe a couple of seconds. I like to do it for a good 10 to 15. And before I forget, if you don't have a food processor, you can actually also make this pie crust in a big mixing bowl. So I'll be sure to include all those steps as well in the recipe down below in the description. So check it out if you haven't already. Maybe mark it as a favorite, because trust me, you're gonna love it. It's super easy and it's so buttery and flaky. Oh, it's so delicious, but you'll see. I'm so excited. But anyway, now that we have all this pulsed up, we're gonna add in 2 sticks of cold butter. Now when I say cold, I'm talking about I place my butter in the freezer for a good half hour to get it nice and chilled. When I'm ready for it, I like to cut it up in about tablespoon sizes and just cut it right into the food processor. Once your butter's all set, you want to go back, hit that pulse button until your butter is cut into small pea-sized clumps. Once your butter is in those nice small pea-sized clumps, we're going to be using both hands for this next part. So we're going to take a mixture of ice cold water and lemon juice. And as we're pulsing our mixture together, we're going to slowly drizzle the ice water and lemon juice into the food processor. And I like to start off with about 3 to 4 tablespoons of my ice water and lemon juice mixture. Now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and turn this out on a lightly floured silicone mat. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna knead the dough 3 to 4 times on our mat to just help it come together a tiny little bit. Then just cover in plastic wrap and place in the fridge to chill for about 30 minutes to an hour. Or let it hang out in your fridge for a couple of days, a week at most. Save yourself some of that holiday baking stress as you're making up some delicious holiday pies. Once your pie dough crust has chilled, you want to go ahead back to your lightly floured silicone mat and roll out your pie crust to about 1/4 inch before you transfer it over to your pie pan. And just like that, in a couple of quick, easy steps, you were off to the races this holiday season with a perfect, buttery, flaky, delicious, gotta have it pie crust. Well, thank you all for stopping by. If you're a fan of today's quick little video to get you ready for the holidays, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. Plus, if you want to see on how I use this delicious buttery flaky pie crust, I can't say that enough, definitely be sure to subscribe down below and turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. So you don't miss out on my simple, gotta have it, spicy cherry pie. It's gonna be, oh, chef's kiss, it's gonna be so delicious. You don't want to miss out on that, so be sure to, turn on notifications and do all that fun stuff. Plus, I still have 20 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below with the link Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you whip up your own holiday pie this season, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna go. This is usually the time where I say I'm gonna grab a slice of what I just baked, have a cup of coffee, enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I'm gonna do those last two. Hopefully you get to do the same. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video very soon. Bye.